sing in musical school days.
My music teacher always sings a special song.
And be a part of the crew in We're a Team.
If we work together as a team, there's nothing we can't do.
Or laugh, dance, and play as Dora celebrates Friendship Day in the double-length episode Dora's World Adventure.
Friends help friends.
And you can dive into the never-before-seen DVD premiere of the double-length episode Dora Saves the Mermaids, coming fall 2007.
We can do this. Sí se puede.
Dora's World Adventure, The Shine Rainbow, We're a Team, and Musical School Days are available now on DVD. Dora Saves the Mermaids is coming to DVD fall 2007. And be on the lookout for more great Dora titles.
It's action, adventure, and baby animals.
We're animal rescuers. We'll find your baby named Wolf.
All the excitement from Go Diego Go is available now on DVD with these great titles.
It will be our biggest adventure ever.
Whether he's helping a friend in the Great Jaguar Rescue, diving deep in the ocean in an underwater mystery,
We've got to find out where this fish is.
or saving the day in Wolf Pup Rescue, Diego is always taking you on an incredible journey.
Do you like dinosaurs?
And you can have twice the adventure with the Great Dinosaur Rescue, a special double-length episode.
We've got to bring Maya the Minosaur to her family on Egg Island.
Catch Diego in his biggest mission yet, the double-length episode Safari Rescue, coming fall 2007.
Let's go!
You can swing into action with the Great Dinosaur Rescue, the Great Jaguar Rescue, Wolf Pup Rescue, and Underwater Mystery. Available now. Safari Rescue is coming to DVD fall 2007, and be on the hunt for more Diego titles coming in 2007.
Aloha!
Get ready for your wildest backyard adventure.
I'm an astronaut. Me too. Me free.
With these favorite backyardigans titles, available now on DVD.
You got all the rad moves to hit it.
You can dance and sing along with your backyard friends anytime you want.
We got some rad moves, the super bad, truly mad moves.
Surf the perfect way in Surf Stuff.
Cowabunga!
Dance at the luau in The Legend of the Volcano Sisters. Journey through the Ice Age in Cave Party. And soar through space in Mission to Mars, featuring the voice of Alicia Keys.
We're going to Mars.
Coming to DVD in fall 2007, the Backyardigans sneak around in style in a special double-length episode, Super Secret Super Spy, featuring the voice of Cyndi Lauper. Each episode takes you on a one-of-a-kind adventure.
Rad.
Bring the Backyardigans home with these titles, available now on DVD. And look for Super Secret Super Spy coming to DVD fall 2007.
The Wonder Pets are taking off with their first full-length DVD. Who is that? Up there. Wonder Pets are on our way. Tell the baby blowfish and save the day. We're not too big and we're not too tough, but when we work together, we've got the right stuff. Looks like our work here is done, Wonder Pets. Look for the Wonder Pets in the Save the Wonder Pets DVD, featuring a double-length episode available now. And be on the lookout for the Save the Reindeer DVD coming fall 2007.